Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Bath & Body Works video, and I just got this in the mail. This is the Bath & Body Works Advent Calendar for 2022, and I wanted to go ahead and purchase this to unbox on my channel because I feel like it's kind of a tradition now. This will be their third Advent Calendar now that they've done. The first one was gingham. The last one was a Christmassy one, but it was all like classic scents, and this one is more holiday focused, so the sneak peeks are already out on this one. You can see everything inside, but I just thought it would be fun to unbox it together and kind of see if it is better than last year's. So just a couple things to keep in mind. This is an Advent calendar, so Bath & Body Works products are very large and full sizes. They're not going to fit in an Advent calendar, so typically their Advent calendars are going to be mini sizes. They're not going to be able to fit a full-size candle in here or like a lot of full-size products. Advent calendars are not usually worth the money in my opinion. They're more of just like a fun thing to count down for Christmas, so I don't really always recommend buying them for getting a deal because most times you're not getting a deal. But I am just curious to see what's inside and see what changes they have made for this year's version. So let's go ahead and get into it. The packaging this year is really cute. It has the little bow here. I think they did that last year too, but it says 12 days of Bath & Body Works, and it actually looks like a book here. So very pretty packaging. We're gonna take the pretty bow off, but first actually I should do a thumbnail before I get into that. Alright, so I will take the pretty bow off now, and then you open it up and you have all of your slots here with all the different days to unbox. So I'm assuming we're gonna go 1 to 12. Before we get into this here, I do want to mention the price on this. I did buy this off the Bath & Body Works website. It is available now. I believe it is $55. It says it's like a $90 or so value inside. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So starting with this tab here, number 1, we have, it looks like just a plain wallflower plug. Just a plain white one here. I think it would have been nice to include like a Christmassy one since this is a holiday advent calendar, or just something maybe more fun and exclusive to the box. This is valued at $5.50, so a very just plain inexpensive wallflower plug. So they definitely could do better with that. Number 2 is up here, and we have a wallflower. And the scent we got for the wallflower is a classic. This one is 'Tis the Season. And I'm glad it is just a fun Christmas classic scent here, part of their holiday favorites. Okay, next up, number 3 is a little shower gel. And we got the mini size in the Vanilla Bean Noel shower gel. So another holiday product. I'm really happy to see that this box actually has holiday stuff, because in my last video it was a lot of their just like classic scents that are available year round, and that was my biggest thing, that I feel like they should have made it holiday themed. So it seems like they maybe watched last year's video. I did, so I feel like every year they are improving the advent calendar, so that's a good thing. But yeah, we got Vanilla Bean Noel. I think this is one of their most popular holiday scents. It probably is one of their best sellers out of like Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple, and Twisted Peppermint. So I feel like that's probably why they went with this one. I think it's also coming in some other stuff here from the sneak peeks I've seen. Number 4, we got the matching lotion, Vanilla Bean Noel Body Lotion from the 2022 Holiday Traditions. I actually did not buy the lotion this year. I do have the body cream, so I'm excited. I do like having a travel set of this just because I do enjoy this scent a lot, even if it isn't as strong as it used to be. The lotion does actually smell pretty good. Like, it almost seems a bit stronger than the body cream, but we got that. All right, we are on number 5. And number 5 is the matching spray, of course. So we do have a full Vanilla Bean Noel kind of set here with the spray, the lotion, and the shower gel. All right, number 6. We have a hand cream. This is the Winter Candy Apple hand cream. So excited to see another holiday tradition scent. That is awesome. I'm not the biggest Winter Candy Apple girl. Honestly, I haven't tried it in a while, so let's try it. But it's just never been one that I've really loved. I know a lot of people love it, and it's like a powerhouse scent, but something about it, I don't know, I'm not a big apple person, but maybe it will grow on me. I don't know. It does just bring back Bath & Body Works nostalgia. I think I can handle it in a cream. So that is the Winter Candy Apple Hand Cream. All right, now we are on number 7. And we got another Winter Candy Apple. We got it in the pocket back. Very cool. I wonder if there's any Twisted Peppermint in here. Let's see. This is number 8. And we got a little pocket back glittery holder for the holidays. This is only valued at like $1.50, so it's a pretty basic one, but a lot of people would probably like this. It's not too crazy. Okay, number 9 has a pretty big spot here, so let's see what's in here. Oh, we did get a full-size like hand soap. That's cool. We might have got that last year too. I was wondering what was gonna go in that huge space, but we got a full-size Mary Cookie hand soap. One of my favorite scents for the holidays. It's the foaming one. Has notes of buttery shortbread, vanilla, bourbon icing, and spun sugar. So good. So excited about that. I know I'll for sure use this. All right, number 10. Matching candle. So although they don't include a full-size 3-wick, they do include the 1-wick in Mary Cookie with really cute packaging. So adorable and delicious smelling, of course. So I do like that they do include a single wick candle in this one. Number 11. I thought that one would for sure be the last product because I feel like that's the big ticket item. Ooh. Number 11, we got a Vanilla Bean room spray. I don't have this one. This is really exciting. So this has notes of vanilla, marshmallow, and nutmeg. It honestly smells really similar to Mary Cookie. I know they have a vanilla bean candle as well, but so delicious smelling. Really cool to see that in here. This is a value of $8.50. All right, and then we are on the very last little tab here. Number 12 is... Oh, I forgot about this. So this is kind of cool that they did this, but they have an exclusive ornament in this year's advent calendar. So this is a cute little 'Tis the Season ornament from Bath & Body Works in the shape of a 3-wick candle, which I feel is very cool to have in here. Something just nostalgic. I would have liked it to maybe have like the year on it, like maybe a 2022 or something like that, instead of just the candle, but still really excited to see that in here. This has a value of $10.95. It is very, very cool. So I love that they added that this year. I think that's a really nice touch, something fun to put on your tree if you are a Bath & Body Works lover. I know last year they did actually, I think it was a gingham ornament in like a shape of a little present that you could just buy. But yeah, that is everything in this 12 days of Bath & Body Works advent calendar. I think they definitely improved over last year. Last year we got kind of similar forms of product, but in just the normal sense that they already have every day. Like, I remember getting a bunch of Dahlia, even though they did discontinue that one. I remember like 1,000 Wishes, stuff like that. I like that this one is holiday themed, which is definitely what I wanted to see. So I feel like I can't complain it too much. I just think the big thing here is, yes, these really aren't totally worth the money, especially this season. Bath & Body Works is running almost daily deals where you can get soaps for like $3, room sprays go on sale for $3. You could get the travel sizes for like $3 one day as well. So there's definitely better sales going on, but this is just kind of for the fun aspect. I know I got a couple questions if this does eventually go lower in price, and I feel like I remember last year it was, I think, still available during Cyber Monday, which Cyber Monday would be your best bet to order this because I believe they do 40% off site-wide, and I think it would work on this. So you may be able to get this 40% off. I know there is a 25% off coupon out right now. If you guys get the mailer coupons or on your app, definitely check that. Otherwise, I think if it's still around during semi-annual sale, they might put it at half off as well. So those would be kind of the dates to hold out for. I don't think this would sell out. It just depends how much quantities they have. I think it is an online only item. But yeah, it's definitely not the best value. I would say their different holiday boxes they do are better. Like, I think for Black Friday, they have a Black Friday tote or a Black Friday box that usually comes with like a full-size body care, candle, soap, and you add it onto your purchase for like $30 or something like that. And those are really a good deal. I think they do them for Black Friday, and maybe, I know for sure they have one for Black Friday, but they've had them for other seasons as well. So hold out for that too, because those are always a good thing. But I did want to go ahead and unbox this with you guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one down below. I think they had a very well curated amount of products here in different scents. Some scents that still go together as a set, and then some different ones you can mix and match. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.